Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install InShot video editing app from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you are facing any challenge while trying to install this app, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, you need to go back to your Google Play Store app. So I'll go to Google Play Store and tap on it to open, and from here you want to make sure you are logged in with your Gmail account before you try to install your app. However, if you are logged in and can't still install it, then go to this profile image and scroll down to settings, and under settings look for network preferences. Under this we have these three options: choose app download preference, and if you tap on it you can see we have options here such as over any network, over Wi-Fi only, and ask me every time. If it was set to over Wi-Fi only, you want to change this to over any network. This will ensure you can download and install apps via the current network you are connected to. To save the changes, just tap on OK and go try to install your app. However, if you can't still download and install InShot at this point, then the problem might be with Google Play Store. For that, we need to troubleshoot Google Play Store by just long pressing on it and access its app info page. However, if you can't see this app info, you should see a settings gear here or the name of the app around here. Depending on your smartphone or Android smartphone you are using, you should now be on Google Play Store app information page. At this point, first we want to stop any background activities by clicking on for stop here, and then go to clear data, and we want to choose clear cache. Once you have cleared cache, you need to restart your smartphone, and once you have restarted your smartphone, open Google Play Store and then open your search. So I'll go to search and search for my app by name. So I'll search for InShot and see if this now works. But remember, before you get here, you must restart your smartphone. Now I'll proceed and try to install and see if now everything works. And look at that, now I'm able to download and install InShot video editor app from Google Play Store. However, at this point, if you can't still do this, then you might want to check if you have enough space. You'll need to free up space on your phone by deleting unwanted or unused files such as images or videos or even apps that you no longer need to free or create space, and then download your app. So that's how you can fix can't install InShot video editor app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.